Helo, shwmae, a chroeso nôl I ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello, shwmae, and welcome back to Welsh Wednesdays. Now today is Global Welsh Rarebit Day. Yes, that's right, there's a whole day to celebrate this traditional Welsh treat of melted golden cheese on bread, but with a twist. For this Welsh Wednesday, I decided I would take you through a step-by-step guide of how to make your own Welsh rarebit at home. And along the way, we will learn some more Welsh words and phrases. I hope you're hungry. Let's go.
Bara, bread. Menyn, butter. Blawd, flour. Llaeth neu llefrith, milk. Caws, cheese. Mwstard, mustard. Pupur, pepper. Saws sir Gairwrangon, Worcestershire sauce.
So there you have it. Happy Welsh Wednesday and happy Welsh Rarebit Day to you all. Blasus iawn. Mwynhewch. See you next week for more Welsh Wednesdays.